Hi, Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end analytical solution that combines Power BI, Data Factory, Microsoft Synapse Data Engineering, data warehousing, data science, and real-time analytics. It is designed as a software-as-a-service solution, and the data is stored within the OneLake repository, which enables the storage of structured and unstructured data. Keep following this video and you will find out more about Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric was released at the end of May this year and brought a revolution in the way we store, process, and analyze data. Power BI still exists. For now, nothing has changed regarding its licensing, but users of Power BI free accounts are automatically upgraded to Microsoft Fabric Free, which in practice means that they will store data in the OneLake repository in the future, and when choosing 60-day free subscription, they can test additional services. OneLake is a repository used to store structured data, data warehouses, and unstructured data, data lakes. The format in which they are stored is data parquet. It provides an additional layer of protection as well as advanced functionality in the form of history tracking, transaction log, and flexible way to change content by writing custom SQL Server queries for extracting data. This way of storing data also enables connection with data located outside of the Microsoft infrastructure, for example on AWS. OneLake could be installed as Windows application, similar to OneDrive, which enables insights into the data. A year earlier, Microsoft presented Data Mart as an instance of Azure SQL Server intended for storing data warehouses in the cloud, organized within the company's tenants. Data kept on OneLake should be retrieved much faster. When you log into the Power BI free service, which is now Microsoft Fabric Free, in the lower left corner you can see a menu with which you can choose which service you want to use. Default, it is Power BI, but you could also use Data Factory, Data Engineering, Data Science, Data Warehouse, or Real-Time Analytics. Let's choose Data Warehouse. And then we will click on Data Warehouse Preview. We should enter the name of the new data warehouse and click on Create. It takes some time. After creating Data Warehouse, a screen with options for creating and modifying data will appear. We can populate the data warehouse by entering a SQL query or by creating data flow or data pipeline. I will create an option to create new data flow. To create a data flow, we can retrieve the data from the Excel file located on OneDrive repository. I will choose Sales Overview. Let us select the Items and Transactions table to import the data. Next, we could combine the queries and do other data transformations. For instance, we can delete unnecessary columns. Right now, I won't change anything, and I will complete the data transformation process. I will click on Publish. After creating data warehouse in the cloud, we can use it as a data set by which we create Power BI reports. To do that, we can enter Power BI Desktop, choose One Lake Data Hub, and then Warehouses, choose the data warehouse, and click on Connect. After connecting, you will be able to see tables and reporting dimensions on the right. We can use them to create visuals and populate the report. This was just a brief look at the possibilities of which Microsoft Fabric offers. Please do subscribe and test its capabilities. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.